Hello kids, today we are going to meditate. First, we are going to sit down. We are going to open our hands and close them on the head like a crown and lower them to the heart. We close our eyes and now we are going to do it together. We open our hands on our head and go down. We breathe in and out. We breathe in and out. One more time and out. We put our hands on the top of our legs and we start to imagine. We are going to imagine a very big rainbow, full of all the colors: blue, yellow, red, green, brown, all the colors that you can imagine. This rainbow shines a lot. And now you're going to continue breathing in and out. We breathe in and out. Now with the color of the rainbow. When we breathe in, we will paint all our body with color. And when we take it out, it will come out of us and will return to the rainbow. We inhale red, we exhale red. We inhale green, we exhale green. We inhale blue, we exhale blue. We inhale yellow, we exhale yellow. We inhale white, we exhale white. We inhale purple, we exhale purple. We inhale black, we exhale black. We inhale turquoise, we exhale turquoise. We inhale silver, we exhale silver. We inhale orange, we exhale orange. We inhale gray, we exhale gray. And now we breathe very hard until we fill all our belly. And we are going to breathe in all the colors of the rainbow. We inhale all the colors. We exhale all the colors. One more time. We inhale all the colors. We exhale all the colors. And now we continue breathing while we observe the beautiful rainbow. We inhale, we exhale. Inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. And now we smile. We listen to the sounds around us, and little by little we move our hands, our feet. We do one more breath, inside and outside. We open our eyes and we smile. We observe everything around us and we are done.
Para más vídeos, suscríbete a nuestro canal. Chao.